guys, this is our day 2 of the Goa trip. So now we are going to Aguada Fort. So now we are on the Condolim Aguada road. Okay guys, so now we have reached Aguada Fort. We parked our car over there. The parking price is 100 rupees. So now let's go to Aguada Fort. So now we have to get the tickets from the ticket counter. This is the ticket counter right in front of you. So now we have got our ticket and it is a long way from the entrance. So we have reached the point where we show the ticket to enter the fort. Yes. I think this is the jail. There used to be an underground jail before some time. That is the house. That is the lighthouse. So that red part of the fort is actually the underground jail.
इथं आहे ना आयुष इथं टाइम आपण असं चालत जाणार
3, 2, 1. Another jail, and I think there is a tunnel, broken tunnel. Let's go. Wait, what?
मम्मा वो लोग ऊपर चढ़ी जाओ हाँ चढ़ी को तुझं काढून वा
Look at the amazing view of the Arabian Sea. We are also going to do a dolphin ride. So stay tuned for the next video and enjoy this time warp. Bye, I will see you in the next one.